Today is the Declaration and Proclamation of Marshall University being a Purple Heart University. It's an invitation by the Military Order of Purple Heart, Chapter 733. Charles Baston is the commander there. And it's a recognition of not only what an institution is already doing for veterans, but a further proclamation of what they dedicate to continue to do for veterans, and particularly Purple Heart recipients. And it'll be marked with a parking spot designated for Purple Heart veterans and signage on the building as well.
This designation of Marshall today solidifies Marshall's commitment to be a university that is military friendly and one where we want to encourage veterans and active service personnel to feel at home and have support from us at the university.
I'm going to take a joy that I know Marshall University is a Purple Heart University, and we'll have veterans come in and they'll look at this and they'll appreciate it.